Authorities from all over the fucking planet have issued a drunk Santa alert for pretty much the entire goddamn planet Earth, effective until midnight December 26th. The public have been reporting a drunken Santa terrorizing little children for absolutely no fucking reason. His weapons of choice are Molotov cocktails and a nightstick. The states with the most deaths are Wisconsin, Utah, Upper Michigan, Idaho, Minnesota, Montana, New York, Wyoming, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Indiana, Colorado, Hawaii, and Alaska. And for some reason, North Korea, Russia, Antarctica, and Canada. Is this the end of the world? Probably. We've already had enough happening so far this year. It even has people like Joe Biden saying,
"Listen, America, I am pretty pathetic and drunk, and this is why the United States of America is in trouble."
There are reports of toddlers dressed as fake police officers and are armed with finger guns trying to arrest the jolly drunken elf, but for some reason it ain't fucking working. What's that? We are receiving reports that drunken Santa is walking naked on the highway and telling drivers to slow down so he can throw a Molotov cocktail at their vehicles that are going home for the holidays. LOL. Anyways, as I was saying, wait a minute, why do I hear footsteps? Oh, holy shit, flavored ice cream and piss-flavored candy canes. The jolly drunken elf is entering the EAS headquarters. No! Do not shove that nightstick up my...